Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is Hazrat Sulaiman, who is also known as Soloman. Soloman or Sulaiman means peace. Born 1035 BC, age or lived for 53 years, buried in Baitul Muqaddas in Israel, mother bint Museme, brothers 18. Solomon appears in the Hebrew Bible as an important king and in the Holy Quran as a prophet of God. Sulaiman married Hurrem Sultan. His wife became famous in the West Europe by the name Roxilena due to her red hairs. He was prophet of the Israelites. He laid foundation of Holy Masjid al-Aqsa or Mosque Aqsa. He is mentioned 16 times in the Holy Quran. Queen Saba mentioned in Surah Naml. He wrote letter to Bilqis, queen of the Yemen. It was a fascinating affair with queen who eventually accepted his faith. Allah bestowed upon him many miracles like the ability to control the wind, the jinns, and ability to communicate with animals. He built a prominent place of worship, the Dome of the Rock in Jerusalem. From Jerusalem, Sulaiman and his believers made pilgrimage to Mecca. Solomon was third king of Israel. He ruled over the kingdom for 40 years, died while holding stitch. His main minister was Asif. Bird Hudhud was his messenger. Wish you good luck, take care of yourself and others, be a good human. Thank you. Please subscribe and forward to your friends.